Guys, it's Tyler here, and today I got a package in the mail. And yes, I did open it to see what it was, but it's a Rubik's Cube. So excited for this. And take it out of the box. It is the pyraminx Rubik's Cube puzzle. Can't wait to open it. If you guys can read that, please comment down below. My brand new pyraminx, but super excited to open this. Let's get opening. Here's the manual of how to solve it. They did that with my other Rubik's Cubes. So here's the actual Rubik's Cube. As you can see, instead of black, it's white lines. That's how you can take it apart, I think. Yes, it is. That's how you can take it apart. Yeah, here's how you can solve it. There. Here comes my brother. That's what it looks like. There's the tip. This is going to be epic. Hey, Nathan. Hi. Here it is. This one feels so weird. Feel it. Doesn't it feel so weird?
Wait.
Oh, he gets the first turn.
No, watch this.
Don't mix it up.
I'm not. No.
Alright. pyraminx. First turns for me.
How do you do that?
Really good. Oh, by the way, this is stickers.
Wait, it's what?
It's sticker.
Let me see. Oh,
Sticker.
how come there's stickers?
Because this is the brand new brand. This was customized actually. It was customized by the neon colors. And then it was customized by the white. So there you go, guys. It's the only Rubik's Cube that came in this one box. I got this off of Amazon. I'm waiting for 2 more now.
Can I try and do that, Ty?
So yeah, sorry that it's so short. This is the only thing. I'm gonna be waiting for the stop. I'm gonna be waiting for a golden one and stop.
Oh, did you show the new gun? The new gun?
Yeah, and I'm gonna be getting the Nathan, stop.
What?
The new what is it? The golden one. And Ryan has it. This thing's awesome. I can't stop playing with it. Sorry, guys. And then I'm gonna be getting a control one. And that, if you guys are new to the channel, I showed a few of my Nerf guns. Well, my whole closet of Nerf guns over there. My Rubik's Cubes, a few of my Rubik's Cubes. I gotta put together my friend's because he twisted it, exploded, then took the rest of the pieces off. But this thing's awesome. It's a little stiff, but it's really good. If you guys don't know, I'm turning this pretty fast, huh? Am I turning this fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Ty, how do you do like the...
watch. You go up anyway. You go up, then up the other way, back down, back down. Then you keep repeating. And then it'll go back to right to solve.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh, and he wanted my old Rubik's Cube, and I said no, and I give it to my friend.
You know I wanted it.
My friend Pearson, even though he wanted it, but I just didn't really care who else popped. But that's it for today, guys. Sorry it's so short. I was saying, bubble wrap. Oh,
That's not bubble wrap.
bubble. In this big box. Only thing. So I'm gonna be waiting for 2 more, and so yeah. Please subscribe and like. Peace out.